Presenting a pre-owned 2012 BMW. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, satellite radio, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, Bluetooth, and power windows.